Come on!
Yummy. Yummy. Yummy.
Okay.
Come on!
Yummy. Yummy. Yummy.
Oh, yes, Daddy.
Yummy.
Thank you very much.
Yummy. Yummy. Yummy.
No? Bye-bye. Wow!
Hello?
Woo-hoo-hoo! Yay! Yow! All right! Hooray! Come
What is that?
Yummy.
Oh no!
I'm hungry.
Oh no!
Oh.
Are you okay?
No? Aha! Woohoo!
Oh!
Yow! Hooray! Ho-ho-ho! All right!
Oh no! Nice!
Okay.
Aha!
Okay, let's go.
Nice!
Okay. Okay, let's go.
Nice!
Holy moly! Thôi lên xe.
Okay, let's go.
Aha!
Yummy.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Okay. Yow!
Oh no!
Oh my god.
Aha!
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Nice!
Yummy!
Okay, let's go.
Ooh.
Hello.
Are you okay? Oh no!
I'm hungry.
Oh no.
Aha!
Ooh. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Yummy.
Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay. Okay.
Hello.
Okay. Ooh.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no.
Oh boy!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Are you okay? I love you.
Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo.
What is that? Huh?
Okay.
Hey, you!
Thank you. Yummy.
Oh, no!
Okay. Okay.
Aha!
No. Yippee!
Okay, let's go.
Ooh.
Aha! Nice!
Okay.
Okay.
A few moments later.
Yummy.
Thank you. Yahoo! Bye-bye!
Aha.
Come on!
Ooh. Uh-oh. Bienvenidos.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day.
Thanks,
Yeah, I'm
Daddy.
tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Okay.
Thanks, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
I'm hungry.
Okay.
Aha!
Okay, let's go.
Yippee! Okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Yummy. Uh-oh. Oh! Hello. Uh-oh. Hooray!
Okay. Thank you.
Come on!
Okay.
Oh! Oh!
Okay.
Yummy.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Hello.
go.
Yummy. Yummy. Oh no! Uh-oh. No!
Okay.
Yummy. Wow!
No?
Okay. Okay.
Come on.
Yummy.
Okay.
Yay!
Yummy.
No?
Yummy.
Ooh.
Yummy. Goodbye. I love you. All right, come on.
Okay, let's go.
Hello everyone. What a beautiful sunny day. Bim Bim and Obi drove out together. I wonder where Bim Bim will take us today. They passed by colorful flowers. Oh, they are going deep into the forest. Where are our two boys trying to go? Bim Bim has stopped the car.
Okay.
What did he cut down the tree for? It turns out he's making fishing rods. So today Bim Bim and Obi are going fishing.
Okay, let's go.
The two boys continue to move to the edge of the pond. take Bim Bim fishing.
Wow! Yippee!
Hey, what is that?
It's a blackberry.
Okay, let's go! Come on!
Looks like there are blackberry trees nearby. Let's go find blackberries together.
Yippee!
Okay, let's go.
Blackberries are Obi's favorite fruit.
Oh, no!
Looks like it's not here. Continue. Oh, blackberry again. We're so close.
Yummy!
So many blackberries.
Okay.
Found it. Bim Bim and Obi are so smart. Now let's go home and enjoy them.
Okay, let's go.
What a fun day. Bim Bim made a fishing rod.
Yahoo!
It's a pity I couldn't catch any fish. But thanks to that, they also discovered blackberries.
Yahoo!
And ate them happily. See you again.
Okay, let's go.
Oh!